Good morning, my dear students. Today we are continuing with our Geography Chapter 5 Industries. Students, in our previous lecture, we were studied about Tata Iron and Steel Industry Jamshedpur and Iron and Steel Industry Pittsburgh, USA. Now, today I will explain you about the cotton textile industry of Ahmedabad and Osaka, Japan, information technology industries of Silicon Valley, California, and Bengaluru. Now, cotton textile industry. The cotton textile industry is one of the oldest and largest agro based industries. It is used both natural and human made fibers. Natural fibers are cotton, silk, wool, linen, and jute, while human made fibers are nylon, polyester, and rayon. Now, earlier, cotton textile were produced using hand spinning and handloom weaving techniques. After the 18th century, power looms came into existence mainly in Great Britain. Today, the major producer of cotton textile are India, China, Japan, and USA. India has an illustrious tradition of producing good quality cotton textile like the muslin of Dhaka, the chinnits of Masulipatanam, the gold embroidered cotton pieces of Surat, Burwanpur, and Vadodara, and the calicoes of Calicut. However, our traditional cotton textile industry produced textile which were expensive and time consuming. These traditional industries had to face stiff competition from modern textile mills from the West, which produced cheap, better quality textile on a large scale within a short time. The first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai in 1854. Availability of raw cotton, warm moist climate, port facility to import machinery and cheap labours have led to large scale expansion of cotton textile industry in Mumbai. Earlier, the cotton textile industry was set up around the cotton growing areas in Maharashtra and Gujarat due to the locational advantage like the availability of raw materials, favorable climate, labor, and port facilities. But today it is widespread all over the country due to the development of quicker means of transport. Cotton, being a light raw material, can also be transported to far off places. Some of the imported center of the cotton textile industry in India are Coimbatore, Chennai, Madurai, Salem, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Gwalior, Ludhiana, Puducherry, Surat, and Indore. Now, cotton textile industry of Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located on the banks of Sabarmati River, which provide abundant water for the cotton textile industry. It is called Manchester of India as it is the second largest textile city after Mumbai. The black soil of Gujarat is favorable for growth of cotton. The humid climate is also favorable for spinning and weaving a large area for setting available for setting up of cotton mills. Availability of both skilled and unskilled labor, good network of rail and roads, and proximity to the Mumbai port have all facilitated the export of cotton textile and the import of machinery. However, recently cotton textile mills in Ahmedabad are facing many problems like the use of outdated machinery, inefficient labor and erratic power supply, which have led to increase in the demand for synthetic fibers. Now, Osaka, Japan. Osaka is known as the Manchester of Japan. This city is located near the sea and expanded rapidly after 1930. The vast plain around Osaka are suitable for the growth of cotton mills. Warm and humid climate, availability of hydel power, cheap efficient labor, provision of abundant water for cotton mills by the river Yudu, and port facilities for the import of raw cotton and export of cotton textile are the locational advantage of this city. Cotton is mainly imported from India, Egypt, China, and USA. The cotton textile manufactured here is exported to many countries due to its good quality of and competitive price. Though it is a leading producer of cotton textile, recently other industries like iron and steel, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipments, and cement have also developed in Osaka. Now, information technology. The information technology is concerned with the storage, processing, and distribution of information. Progress of information technology was seen in a last decade of 20th century, and its importance is growing in the 21st century. The development of computers has accelerated the progress of information technology. This industry has provided employment to more than 1 million people in India and has emerged as an important foreign exchange earner in the last 5 years due to growing business process outsourcing sector. Now, location. The location of IT industry is affected by the easy availability of resources and low cost of infrastructure and labor. 18 software technology park have been set up in India mainly at Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, Chandigarh and Bengaluru. However, Bengaluru is called the information technology capital of India as many multinational companies are set up here. The major hub of the information technology industry are the Silicon Valley in California and Bangalore in India. Now, Bangalore, Silicon Valley, Bangalore. Bangalore, the capital of Karnataka, located in the Deccan Plateau, is one of the metropolitan cities in India and an important industrial center. In 1991, a software technology park was set up at Bangalore. There are many reasons for the development of information technology at Bangalore. On the lines of the Silicon Valley in California, the Karnataka government in late 70s developed Electronic City about 18 kilometers outside Bangalore. This made Bangalore the Silicon Valley of India. Bangalore has a pleasant climate throughout the year and is well connected by the means of rail, road, air with other parts of the country. It has got the best type of training infrastructure for the computer software industry. In 1999, the Indian Institution of Information Technology was set up in Bangalore. Bangalore is credited with a large number of highly trained and talented professionals. The policies of government have also greatly contributed to the amazing expansion of information technology in the city. It has many public sector companies like BAIL, HEL, NEL, Brodu, ISRO, and research institutes like the Indian Institution of Science. More than 100 software companies, both national and international, have established their offices in the city. In 1989, Hewlett Packard HP also set up their unit here. Today, most of the computer and software companies of the world, like IBM, Oracle, Novell, and Fujitsu, are located in Bangalore. Many multinational companies like Motorola, Siemens, and Chiticorp get their software development work done from the companies based in Bangalore. In the last 10 years, Bangalore has become Asia's fastest growing city, having rapid growth and international recognition in the field of software development and information technology. Now, Silicon Valley, California. The Silicon Valley, situated in California on the western coast of the USA, is well known for the computer and electronic industry. It is the home of many companies that are engaged in high technology research and manufacturing. Extensive land was given here to establish high technology firms on the long term lease. Pleasant climate, pollution free environment, availability of skilled labor, huge capital, accessibility by roads and airports, abundance of power have played a major role in making the Silicon Valley one of the most important centers of the software industry in the world. Thank you, students.